Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming you can sign into Gmail and that two-factor authentication settings are accessible. Next, decide whether you need a map for syncing or POP3 for download only. That choice determines server settings. Once decided, open Gmail settings and navigate to Accounts and Import. Make sure you have the external account's incoming/outgoing server names, ports, and your password or app-specific password ready before proceeding so the connection step goes smoothly. You'll now add the external account. Choose Add a Mail Account and type the email address. When prompted, enter the incoming server, port, and choose SSL/TLS. Use a map for full sync versus POP for downloads. After incoming succeeds, configure SMTP with the provider's host, port, and secure connection. Authenticate using your username and password or an app-specific password. Once configured, choose whether to send mail as that address and whether to store a copy in the external inbox. Finish by sending test emails to and from the newly added account so you confirm both incoming and outgoing paths work and labels appear as expected. Then refine behavior. Create filters, set forwarding, and assign signatures for that address so mail flows how you want. If something fails, recheck a map/POP and SMTP ports. Ensure SSL/TLS is correct, and use an app password when two-factor is active. Also inspect local firewall or VPN that could block connections.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.